The 1983 Gibson Slumbermaster 5900 BTU running at on a 90-degree day. This is a temporary install of the Slumbermaster. Now look at that intense heat out there. For the past few weeks, since I've been using this Slumbermaster, oh boy, does it work good. Even though it's a rotary compressor, nothing wrong with that. The thing is, like, it's definitely a wall shaker. If you can hear that. That's the disadvantage of rotary compressors. The biggest problem with many of them is that they shake the walls. Now you can hear it pretty much throughout the whole house. But still, this is a very good unit. It blows very cold. Here's the compressor. But it works perfectly. So it's on medium. Here's high. Here's medium. And that's low. And as you can hear, it's got worn out thrust washers, so. And it stopped. That's the thing, like, this shows you that the thrust washers are on their last legs. So it'll just be a matter of time until it constantly hums loudly, just like my 1973 Fetters would do. So somewhere along the line, I got to take this whole unit apart and take the fan motor out and replace the thrust washers, just like the Fetters. And now here's the air sweep function. And the air sweep works good. And there you have it. The 1983 Gibson Slumbermaster running on a 90-degree day. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to always love